Hello there everyone, my name is Griffin and today I'm going to be showing you how to disable MIUI optimizations in the MIUI 12 update. So the first thing that we're going to do is go into the settings app, click on about phone, and then we're going to press on MIUI version a bunch of times till it says the pop-up that it says at the bottom here. Now we scroll to additional settings, open up developer options, and then we scroll all the way down till we see notify about high risk features. Now there won't be a MIUI optimization options, so we will click a bunch of times on reset to default settings in the autofill partition of the developer options, and then the MIUI optimization pop-up will show up. Now we can basically just press it and disable that. This is useful for example, the YouTube Vanced manager because it requires you to disable MIUI optimization or the Aurora store for installing apps if you don't want to use the Google Play Store. Anyways, that's basically it. That's how you disable MIUI optimization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like down below. Comment if you have managed to disable MIUI optimization, and if you didn't, I will be replying in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Goodbye.